In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Shopify. We'll set up Shopify's digital downloads app and attach a file to a product so your customers receive their download instantly after purchase. Start by opening your Shopify website and going to your Shopify admin. In the search bar at the top, type Apps, then open the Apps section. In the app search, enter Digital Downloads. Find the Digital Downloads app by Shopify, open it, and click Install. This free app lets you attach files like PDFs, zips, audio, or video to a product and automatically send secure download links to buyers. Installation just takes a moment. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken to your product page within the app. Here, choose the product you want to sell as a download. If you already have a product listed that represents your ebook, template, music track, or any other digital item, select that one. The app links directly to your product catalog, so you can attach files without leaving this workflow. Next, add your digital file. Look for the option to upload or add a file, then select the file from your computer. Keep file names clear and include a version number if you plan to update it later. If your file is large, compress it into a zip to keep delivery smooth and within size limits. After the upload finishes, the file is now connected to that product. From here, feel free to customize and explore the options the app provides. You'll see settings that control how customers access their downloads, like limits on the number of download attempts or how long the link stays active. You can also review the messaging that customers see when they get their download link. These options help you balance convenience with protection for your content. That's all you need to start selling a digital product on Shopify. With the app installed, the file attached, and your product selected, customers who purchase that product will automatically receive a secure link on the order confirmation page and by email. If you ever update your file, simply return to the app, upload the new version, and it will be delivered to future customers. Take a moment to double-check the product details and price in your catalog, then you're ready to go live. Thanks for watching and enjoy selling your digital products with confidence.